Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective bedtime weight loss drink that helps to cut your belly fat. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have taken apple cider vinegar. Brand is totally optional. Choose an ACV with mother vinegar. This is high in healthful substances, helps to kill harmful bacteria, helps to lower blood sugar levels and manage diabetics, aids weight loss, boosts heart and skin health and helps in weight loss as they break down the fat cells and convert them to energy. Add 1 tablespoon of ACV to a mug like this. Then to this add 1/4 teaspoon of dry clove powder. Clove has a lot of medicinal properties. It is loaded with antioxidants, has anti-inflammatory properties, reduces the risk of heart disease, lowers blood sugar levels and protects against cancer. The next ingredient is lemon. You will need about a tablespoon of lemon juice, so half the lemon is more than sufficient. Add it to the mug. Lemon on the other hand boosts your metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Then to this add a teaspoon of chamomile. Chamomile has a lot of health benefits such as it reduces weight, treats diabetics, lowers blood sugar levels, reduces inflammation, helps in weight loss, prevents cancer, helps with sleep and relaxation, treats cold symptoms and also treats skin conditions. Now to this add 1 cup of warm water. Let this rest for a minute. Then strain and add it to a mug like this. Drink this 10 minutes before going to bed. Also make sure to have your dinner before an hour to drinking this fat cutter drink. This drink improves your metabolism while you are in sleep and cuts down the belly fat. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.